Hi everybody, I'm Dan with VOXX Electronics, and today we're going to talk about our top 5 products in our ADAS safety category. Number 1, blind spot detection system. The ADV BSD30 blind spot detection system is a great add-on to make driving safer. It detects vehicles in the blind spot mode while driving and also provides a rear cross traffic alert when backing out of parking spaces. Number 2, backup camera. The ACA 800 backup camera is a universal license plate mounted camera that's compatible with any aftermarket monitor or dash source unit. The system comes with standard parking lines and is a great value add to any car, truck, or SUV. Number 3, backup camera with dynamic parking lines. The ACA 801 backup camera is a universal license plate mounted camera that's compatible with all aftermarket monitors and in-dash source units. The great feature about this system is that it has dynamic parking lines. As you're backing up and you're turning, those parking lines will turn to guide you in the direction that you need to go. The system is a great add-on for all cars, trucks, and SUVs. Number 4, rear view mirror with monitor. The RVM 744A rear view mirror with monitor is a great replacement rear view mirror for vehicles. It comes with 4 video inputs, so you can add a backup camera, front parking camera, and even left and right blind spot cameras. The system is touchscreen and very easy to use, and it's compatible with all cars, trucks, and SUVs. Number 5, parking sensor kit. The PSD FSN1 parking sensor system is a parking sensor kit designed to mount on the front of your vehicle. It's a 4-sensor system that provides object detection as you're pulling into a parking spot or driving slowly through a parking lot. The system integrates with the vehicle's CAN bus for speed activation. So anytime you're above 8 miles per hour, the system automatically turns itself off to stop false detection while driving down the road. Once you get below 8 miles per hour, the system will reactivate so that you can get those object detections while you're pulling into your parking spot. It's a great add-on for any car, truck, and SUV, and it's compatible with plastic and metal bumpers. And there you have it. Those are the top 5 products from VOXX Electronics in our ADAS safety category. For more information, go to our website, voxelectronics.com.